Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While it may be possible to briefly 15 to 20 seconds at most, reheat a hard-boiled egg without its shell, it is safest to avoid microwaving eggs. Reheating hard-boiled eggs with their shells still on in the microwave can result in scalding egg whites and yolk flying across the room.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Once you have cooked eggs, eat them immediately, but if it is kept for a longer period, don't reheat, rather just eat cold because high-protein food contains a lot of nitrogen. This nitrogen may get oxidized due to reheating, further causing cancer.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Yes, it is safe to cook eggs in the microwave, whether you wish to poach, scramble, or fry your eggs. Sometimes, microwaved eggs taste even better than stovetop eggs. For example, you can make perfectly poached eggs in the microwave without needing to form a whirlpool.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
This staple breakfast food also should not be reheated. Best known as a protein powerhouse, reheating boiled or scrambled eggs should be avoided. The protein in eggs is destroyed once it's exposed to heat over and over again. Also, they become toxic and unfit for consumption once they have been cooked.
Take our lead.
If you want to reheat a hard-boiled egg, first step away from the microwave. Place your hard-boiled eggs in a heat-proof bowl, pour boiling water until the egg is entirely submerged, then cover. Wait 10 minutes before removing, crack, peel, and eat. No explosion and no mess, just breakfast.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
For a hard-boiled egg, start the egg in cold water and bring up to the boil. Once the water is gently boiling, set the timer for between 7 to 10 minutes depending on how well cooked you like your eggs. The longer you boil the egg, the firmer it will be.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.